Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a payasam with broken wheats. Onam is already started in Kerala and an Onam Sadhya is incomplete without payasam. So here it is. Here I used 250 grams of broken wheats and this is 1.5 cups. I measured in 250 ml cup. I am transferring the washed broken wheats into a pressure cooker. Add enough water to cook the wheat. I used 1 liter. Cover the pressure cooker and cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. Meanwhile, I am extracting the coconut milk. Here I used 2 big size fresh coconut. Transfer this into a big jar. Adding 2 cups of water, that is 500 ml. If you want, you can grind in 2 portions. Transfer this into a strainer and squeeze out all the milk. Put the chunks into the same jar. Again we are going to extract the second milk. In the same way I have extracted the second milk also. But at this time I have added 3 cups of water into the jar and grind it. That is 750 ml. Now I am going to melt jaggery. This is 650 grams of jaggery. I have just crushed it and add into a pan. Adding 1 cup of water, that is 250 ml. Turn on the flame and start melting. Keep stirring in between because it may spill out of the pan. We'll check the wheat now. Yeah, it is cooked properly. So now we'll transfer this into another pan. I'm using a deep non-stick pan. I'm adding the melted jaggery into this and I'm straining it because the jaggery may contain some small stones or impurities, so better to strain it. Now turn on the flame and start mixing. Don't add the jaggery liquid fully. 3/4 portion you add and remaining you keep it aside. At last, if you want, you can add after checking the sweetness. At this time you may feel some lumps of cooked wheats, but it's okay. Everything will get mixed up once it starts boiling. Keep stirring in between. We are going to cook this until we get a thick consistency. It may take 20 to 30 minutes. After that, we are going to add the coconut milk. So it came to a really thick consistency. Adding the second coconut milk. This is around 750 ml. Mix everything together. Allow it to boil and cook for another 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the consistency is reduced a little bit. Now I am adding the first coconut milk. Keep on stirring while adding the coconut milk. And this is around 500 ml of milk. Adding 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed cardamom powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything together. Now reduce the flame to the lowest and keep stirring. When it started to boil on the sides, you can turn off the flame. Don't allow to boil it completely, otherwise the coconut milk may curdle. At this time, you can check the sweetness. If you want more, you can add little more jaggery liquid. Turn off the flame and remove it from the stove. Into other pan, I am adding 1/4 cup of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I am adding 1/4 cup of splitted cashew nuts. I am going to fry this until it is turned to a slight brown color. Adding 1/4 cup of raisins or kismis. I'm going to fry this until it is nice and fluffy. Adding the fried cashews and kismis into the payasam, and I'm adding the remaining ghee in which we have fried the cashews. Mix everything together. At this time, the consistency of payasam is perfect. But once it is cooled down completely, it may change to a thick foam. At that time, if you want, you can add normal milk or hot water and mix it. You will get a nice consistency. Or if you have the remaining coconut milk with you, you can add that also. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends and families. Tap the bell icon for future notification. And wish you a very happy Onam to all of you. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.